Hey you guys, welcome back to Viral Trends. I bet you're all wondering how I got this amazing hair. Well, did I buy it? No, I've grown it. Yes, believe it or not, this is how much hair I... Oh god! This is how much hair I got right now. Okay.
Ja, det där.
Hur ser det här ut?
Ja, det ser roligare ut än vad det gjorde där. So now when Andreas fixed his hair and he thinks it's very amazing pretty, we're gonna watch some animals making funny noises.
I don't think we've ever had a video with a more random subject. Animals making weird noises. Like, what? So this is either going to be a flop or a top. We'll see after this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to have this amazing hair like me. Let's go to the videos!
What is that called?
Otter?
Uh-huh.
Or a weasel. Otter or weasel, I'm not sure.
He's grabbing it with his hands.
So annoying. Smacking sound. I hate people that do that. Oh my god.
He's like, ha ha ha.
Stop that. It's not funny.
Hit or miss.
Det får vi se. Det är svårt att typ prata om det.
Oh.
He sounded like that.
What do you think about that, guys?
What does the fuck say? You're supposed to say ring ding 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 and wappa papa papa pow.
Is it him?
This is not how a fox sounds. Haven't you heard the song?
What does the fox say?
What? Stop being so aggressive.
He's choking. Help him.
Doesn't that hurt? He's like
No, he's
trying
licking
to...
him.
But he's biting him also, sometimes. What the hell?
Help me, crazy woman.
That's so random.
He's like, help. Help me.
I don't know what to say.
He's just amazed.
Yes.
Imagine how many clips we need to watch.
It's only 8 more minutes. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Look what he's eating.
That
Nom, 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 nom,
is
nom,
so
nom, nom.
annoying.
Nom 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 nom.
Ooh, my ear. He's licking your ear right now.
I like it. Keep licking it.
Oh god, I could not listen to that. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, nice to be licked in your ear, Andreas.
It's like ASMR.
Yeah,
ASMR.
gone wild.
Sound like a freaking troll. What the hell? Okay. Better watch out. He might bite you.
Say something, Andreas.
There was a very long clip and the dog sounded funny. I have nothing else to add. It was fat also.
He farted through his nose.
And kinda ugly.
Yeah.
Finally a cute animal.
It looks like you.
That I like. Yeah, this looks like my hair. That's sweet. I would like one of those, actually. I always liked hedgehogs.
Hedgehog, it's called.
Yeah. cutest freaking animal in the entire animal kingdom.
Yeah, he looks cute. You know that they have like a lot of gross parasites in their fur?
No, they're clean as hell and awesome and cute. Okay.
When somebody passes?
Nice to meet you too.
Imagine somebody walks past by.
Oh. What are you saying?
I have no idea. Oh.
What? I thought it was a motorcycle coming. Huh.
That's very nice.
It sounds like a small motorcycle, like
Where is it coming from?
150 cubics, maybe? Like a motocross. Second gear. No.
Oh, it stopped. Was that a cat?
Leopard, right? Geopard.
Yeah, was it?
I think so.
Or was it a cat?
I don't know.
I don't know, it was not big.
Is this the fire alarm?
That's a little loud.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jesus.
That thing would stay in my house for like 2 minutes tops.
What would you do with him afterwards?
I have no idea, like...
I think he's calling for help.
I think it's just trying to annoy us.
It works.
Yeah. Okay, please shut up. Horse time. What the fuck? What is he doing?
What did he do?
I have no idea.
Try to eat all the air out of the box.
That parrot sounds like a dog.
Yeah.
And he's got a really nice haircut. Like a really nice haircut.
That's so good.
That's the kind of hair I want.
You have that hair.
No, not yet. That looks fabulous.
That's so funny, he learned how to bark. Oh, what a cute dog.
Yeah.
He's angry now. He's doing his sounds both in and out.
He's beatboxing. This is so strange.
Are we watching this?
Apparently. There's another motorboat. This time. Yeah. Kinda sounds like a jet ski.
That's not a dolphin sounding.
Right.
Maybe you should do something about this one.
I have no idea.
I don't think he's healthy.
Looks really
Yeah. Oh,
It's gonna
yummy.
smack. Smacky smacky.
That's it.
Yeah, I think so. Just slab it up. Just shove it into your mouth. Interesting is the word I would choose for this video.
Me too.
Very interesting.
I learned a lot.
I'm not really sure what to add. I think everything that could be added was added.
Yeah, it spoke for itself.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you're allergic.
I'm allergic to stupid videos, sorry.
You're allergic to animals
Yeah,
too.
that's why I
Fur.
saw too many animals in this video. Well, this was great. If you haven't done it already, make sure to
Like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you next time.
bye.
Bye.